Guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from Asteria hair. Like always, just in case any of you guys are interested, be sure to check the description box down below. So here is the wig, y'all, and it looks so pretty. I really love the curls because with this wig you can actually wear these curls. So this is the construction. Now they sent me over, I believe this is a, oh, I don't want to get it wrong because I don't know what the lace is, but I think it might be like a 13 by 7. Oh, I don't know. Everything will be in my description box. But here is what the wig is looking like, and straight out of the package, I'm telling you, this wig ate down. So here is what the wig looks like with the lace cut off, and now I'm just positioning the wig the way I wanted to because the ear tabs were kind of long, so I had to go ahead and cut them off. Also, the wig fit all right. So like if you wanted to wear it as a glueless wig, I think that you could, because the ear tabs was kind of staying down, but that mainly be my problem with the ear tabs not fully staying intact. But I just went ahead and used my got to be glue to tack down the lace because I was going out in this wig and I didn't want it to move or anything like that. This is my birthday weekend, y'all. Today is my birthday. Well, tomorrow it's my birthday in this video, but my birthday already passed. My birthday was December 15th. Shout out to all my Sagittarius babies. But yeah, I don't really put in that much work when it comes to this wig. I didn't do anything to the curls. I let the curls do what it did, and that's basically it. Look at that, y'all. And that's only me, you know, adhering a lace to my head. I did use some concealer in the part, and that was basically it. I flattened, you know, I flattened out the head on top a little bit. And yes, and to keep these curls, because I did go out in his head the next day, hence that's why I just ended up using a got to be glue, because I did sleep in this wig. So I added flexi rods to this head to keep the curls, because the curls were on point. I was really shocked at how good the curls were. The thickness of this wig is on point as well, just in case you wanted to cut some layers in it. I feel like the curls would lay so nice. And I did end up doing my baby hairs, but at the end of this video I decided I don't really want the baby hairs. I just want that like clean, natural look. So I ended up combing them out. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, y'all, so here are my end results. It's actually the next day, and it's actually my birthday, y'all, so I'm about to go out, but I decided I was going to wear this hair. I was about to do another video. I was about to do a video on another hair that I wanted to wear for my birthday. It's like a burgundy color, and that's why I got my nails burgundy. I was going to do like some burgundy makeup, and my outfit was just going to be decked out burgundy, but my outfit didn't come in time, so I had to throw something on that I had in my closet and just wear this wig. But this wig is cute. Like I said, I've been wearing it for 2 days now. This is the original curl that the wig came in. Like, these are the original curls that the wig came in, and they did fall some because I feel like they were much curlier when I first put the wig on. But other than that, this wig is so cute. I think the look came together cute. If you follow me on Instagram, then I'll post some pictures for you guys. But like I said, these are my end results. I want y'all to see my little outfit because I feel like it's super cute. But it's just like this balloon skirt, and then I put this on, and then like I got some white little ruffly socks on, and I'm gonna put my little Mary Jane heels on. I think that that's gonna be so cute. I'm kind of torn between which shoes I want to wear, because I don't know if I want to wear like my boots or the little Mary Janes. But I think that I'm just going to wear the Mary Janes because it's all kind of like coming together with this look. But yeah, here she is. I can't remember. I think this is like 26 inches if I'm not mistaken. But that's where she comes. And like I said, the curls ate. Like these curls came like this. And they fell real cute. So I wasn't mad at it. Okay, I'm ready. Girl, you ready? Yes, I'm ready. You know, I ain't feel like putting no lashes on either. My makeup is kind of plain, but it is what it is, you know. Should I put gloss on, or should I just keep like a matte lip? I think I'm gonna keep a matte lip. And the hairline didn't come to play either. I really, at first I had like swoops right here. I think I did it on camera, but then I was like, no. So I just left it alone. And I also like cut into the lace a little bit, just because I didn't want, I wanted to have like some type of realness going on. So I didn't want my lace like straight across. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. And I will see y'all in my next video. If anybody is interested in this wig, like always, the links will be listed down below. She loud. The links will be listed down below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section down below as well. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.